So when your computer is lagging, instead of you going to Computer Village or any other place they sell computers, just go straight or come straight to your computer and press Window R. So when you press Window R, what you're going to do is you just put this code as you can see it on your screen, asysdm.cpl. Then you press enter. So when you press enter, you come to advanced. Then on the advanced, you click on settings. So after click on settings, click on adjust for best performance and click on apply. So when you do this, instead for your computer to be dragging, to be slowing, it will now be running very fast. Your computer will now be running fast. So if you enjoy this trick, if you enjoy this update, kindly hit that subscribe button or follow button and like this video. Put on your notification icon so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.